So, another walking naman. Upside down walk from these hills and mountain. Come with me, guys. Come and visit Philippines. There is a Davao, and it's like what we call this, mountain climbing. Let's walk. We have this. You can use this as a self-defense. Pangtungkod. Oh. I feel hungry, guys, while walking, so I have this. Sa Bisaya pa, timo. That's it. I'm going to eat while on my way. So sweat. Make me sweat. Make me wetter. Whew. It's really a good cardio exercise. Climbing up and down to the mountains. And by the way, today is very foggy here. See? See that? It's so foggy. So I'm here in the farmhouse. Actually, this is not mine. This is belong to the parents of my brother-in-law. So now I'm wondering why the dogs are not barking. Where are they? Oh. See? No. So I will going to pretend, guys. Pretend another person. Let's look for the reaction of this cutie little puppy. Let's see if still recognizing a baby. Hello, how are you, a baby? Huh? Asa man si Indong? Where is Indong, the other one? Huh? Baby? A baby. Okay. Oh, the sweat's getting inside my eyes. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if cheese is good for weight. Okay, that's your trick. Okay. Buyers. There is another boy here. Hello, buddy. How are you? Huh? Okay. This is your treat. Oh. Oh. Bye-bye. Still want more? Okay. Let's look here. Wait. So excited. Oh. It's yours. Goodbye. So that's it. We are heading now to our rubber farm. So I'm here in the farm, guys. I'm here now. Okay. Just left my or leave my bag here and start harvesting rubber. See, this is a special knife for those who don't know yet. This is a special knife tools for harvesting a rubber. So see, it looks like this. And then I'm so thirsty. So let's go. It's going to harvest rubber, and later we will go into eat our breakfast. Hello. So, so for this tree, guys, this tree will be provide a lot of latex. So before, this is the container, and I changed into this empty container of the ice cream, so that there's no wastage of the latex. I feel so hungry, guys. So I have already finished like 1, 2, 3, 4 row of the rubbers, and now we will get our bag here so that we can eat our breakfast. I'm really hungry. Our bag is here. There's a lot of flies, or I don't know if this insects, but they are disturbing me. So let's get this and let's go down here. Alright. So we have swing here. This one very sweat, guys. Very, very sweat. So sexy. Actually, guys, this is for female clothes. We are going to get our baon here. This is our lunchbox. Okay. I will eat here. I will be here. Okay. So, let's eat and eat here. Okay. There's so many mosquito, guys. And they are biting my ears. Samok kaayo. So, a rice, and you know, dried fish. I really love it. And then the humba that I cooked last night. So let's eat together again. I love this rice. So, I'm done. This rice is for my lunch. Too little. Okay. I'm going to cover this. And this one. Let's have water. Okay. And then, in a little bit, going back again to harvest. So here, this is my surroundings. You can relax. I really like to hear the birds singing, diba? And then, if you're really connected to the nature, you know, guys, you really know it, that the birds are communicating. And then we are making this how could I just walk away? Actually, I have this, but I preferred for this because this is more strong. The taste is also good. Yeah. Let's go back farming, guys. Back to work. So we change first another clothes because it's very sweat. This is so sweat, guys. Hey, Sue. Okay. So, the moment of truth again. Balik na po tap ani. Ninja. So finally, guys, we're done. So it's 11:45, almost noon. So we're done harvesting the rubbers. It's very tiring. And I'm so hungry, guys. Yes, I'm very hungry. Hungry and thirsty. Uhaw. Let's change the clothes. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for that. I will be going to eat lunch and then sleep for like an hour here, just to nap. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and